Hello people, you're welcome back to my class. And so today we'll be looking at the long O. Episode is the longer rounded vowel sound and the sound of ooh. So once again, let's see it everybody. Ooh, you are going to drag it, unlike the short one that is just the ooh, but this is the ooh. Good job. Let's clap ourselves everyone. Good job. And so let's look at the word so we can fixing these two O's to say the word is going to give us. Remember, this is what? Let's sound these two words there is what? Bl. Say bl. The first letter sound B and the second letter sound which is the word bl. Bl. So when you add your O here, it gives you bloom. Bloom. Everyone say bloom. Good job. Good job. Now this is grr. Grr. Say grr, everyone. Grr, 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 groom, groom. Good job, good job. You are all doing fantastic. So this is sm. Say sm, 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 sm. Ooh. This is smooth, smooth. Good job, good job. We are all doing great. And what sound is brr? Say brr, everyone. Brr, brr, this is broom. Say broom, everyone. Good job. Now, what this sound? Say spoon. 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 Good job. And this is ooh. Tooth. Tooth. All the words then. Thumb, everyone. Bloom. Broom, smooth, broom, spoon, tooth. I'm going to try this out. Let's try it and let's see what is going to pronounce. And I want you to give me more words on the oo word. Now look out for our next video to see the short O word.